I'm going to quickly show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. First, select the range you'd want to check. Then click on Format and select Conditional Formatting. Now from the drop box, select Custom Formula Is. Here is a quick breakdown of both table types for your reference. Since this is a vertical table, I'm going to paste in the value for the vertical table here from the description. Now copy this first value you have here and paste it over A1. Now pick what column you want to check for duplicates. In my case, I want to check column A for name duplicates. Note down that column letter. Now replace these 3 letters in the formula with the column letter you noted earlier. You can change the color of the highlight from here if you want. Then click on Done. As you can see, all duplicates are now highlighted in the sheet. If you want to check duplicates for a different column, all you have to do is change the letter in the formula. For example, if you want to check column E for order ID duplicates, you would replace the 3 letters in the formula with E. Now any duplicates found in column E would be highlighted. For horizontal tables, the process is similar but slightly different. Select the range you'd want to check. Then click on Format and select Conditional Formatting. Now from the drop box, select Custom Formula Is. Then in this box, copy and paste the value for horizontal tables from the description. Now copy the first letter or letters from here and paste it over the A. If you want to check row 3 for name duplicates, you would replace the 3 numbers in the formula with 3. Now all the duplicates would be highlighted. If I'd want to check order ID duplicates, which is row 7, I would change the 3 numbers in the formula to 7. If you want to edit existing conditions, just click on Format and then Conditional Formatting. Then you should see all existing conditions. You only see the existing conditional rules if you've clicked on a cell with a conditional rule.